Hi everyone, welcome back to Vin Virtuosa. I'm Haley, and today we're celebrating Global Drink Wine Day in the most delicious way possible with a recipe that combines the elegance of wine and the comfort of homemade cooking. On the menu is a savory Tavel Rosé Quiche with goat cheese and spinach. This dish is flavorful, easy to make, and perfect for brunch, lunch, or even a light dinner. And the best part, we're not just pairing it with wine, we're actually cooking with a gorgeous Tavel Rosé. Stick around to see how this dish comes together and why it's perfect for celebrating with wine. Let's get started. For this recipe, here's what you'll need. A pre-made pie crust. I made my own dough, but you can just buy a pre-made one as well. It's fine. You'll need some fresh spinach, of course, an onion, and you'll need your cheese, goat cheese and Gruyere cheese. You'll also want some eggs. Okay, I have 4 eggs here. You'll need some heavy cream, and of course a Tavel Rosé, plus a few seasonings like salt and pepper and a hint of nutmeg to tie everything together. This is a Tavel Rosé, a dry, robust wine from the Rhone Valley in France. It's bold, fruity, and has herbal notes that make it perfect for cooking and sipping. And also, you could swap out the goat cheese with feta or ricotta, or you could even use kale instead of spinach if you prefer. This recipe is super flexible. Start by rolling out your pie crust and pressing it into a 9-inch tart or pie pan. Then be sure to prick the bottom with a fork to prevent bubbling. Blind bake the crust for 10 minutes at 375 degrees. This ensures the crust stays crisp when we add the filling. After 10 minutes, remove the weights and bake for another 5 minutes until it's slightly golden. Let it cool while we work on the filling. Next, heat a little olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add finely chopped onion and cook until translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add your spinach and cook until it's wilted. This should only take 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to remove any excess moisture. It keeps the quiche from getting soggy. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 4 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, and half a cup of Tavel Rosé. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a hint of nutmeg. Whisk until smooth and slightly frothy. This ensures a light and creamy custard. Spread the spinach and onion mixture evenly over the crust. Then sprinkle on the goat cheese and Gruyere. Finally, pour the egg mixture gently over the top, letting it fill in all the gaps. Bake at 375 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until the filling is set and the top is golden. Once it's done, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Look at that. Creamy custard, perfectly wilted spinach, and melty cheese all wrapped in a flaky crust. Doesn't that look amazing? And it pairs beautifully with a glass of chilled Tavel Rosé. It's the ultimate global drink wine day celebration. You have to try it. Cheers. Thanks so much for joining me today. This Savory Tavel Rosé Quiche with goat cheese and spinach is a simple yet elegant way to celebrate wine and food together. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it turned out. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more wine-inspired recipes. And if you share your creations on social media, tag me at @VinVirtuosa so I can see your amazing quiches. Cheers and happy Global Wine Day. Bye for now.